Have you ever tried this thing before?
No, I actually haven't.
Okay, so we first heard about this thing like a couple of years ago, and we're gonna find out finally what it tastes like. Okay, Dave. So XS, X. Make it sound like extreme. This is an energy drink plus burn in strawberry flavor and apparently other natural flavors. So size about same as the red can. The Red Bull cans or some similar energy drinks. If you're familiar with those, they says that it has 10 calories. Like no kidding. Yeah, it has 10 calories. We'll can actually see that on screen, while we read some of this stuff. And it says, so it's supposed to ignite stamina, clarity, focus, balance, and some other stuff over there. So it says an energy and burn made beverage maneuver by combining the power of African mango seed extract and big refreshing strawberry taste. So let's find out. Interesting. 10 calories, man. 10 calories.
Okay.
So no, because really, when you think about that, like a Red Bull, what is like maybe about 110 calories or something similar.
Well, supposedly, yeah. I mean, I'll have to read the nutrition facts on those things, but
Significantly higher though.
yeah. Well, I'll have to check on those.
Okay.
But the sugar themselves, I mean, it says that it doesn't have any sugar, so I'm not sure they actually have something instead of sugar.
Yeah, we actually have a link over there. So okay, full disclosure. Okay, we are not going to be saying the actual name of the company, how you actually get this stuff, because we don't want anybody to come and get mad at us. But you probably have a friend somewhere around that is telling you about a wonderful business opportunity, and then you can actually get them this stuff, so they can call more friends to join their awesome team and whatnot over there. And we actually had such friends that at some point came and talked to us about these things. We never actually get a chance to try this thing, even though it was part of the presentation. So finally, we got a chance to do that, and pretty much that's the whole cache. Now, you guys might actually be wondering why we have these nice little fancy cups over there. This stuff is expensive. Like really, like all these things, you could just probably get a bottle of fine champagne. It might be like about the same as what we're getting here. So we'll see, how amazing that is. No pun intended. If we actually find out that we like it when we do the final reaction of that, then yeah, we'll put a link over there. If you don't see a link down there, it's because we really don't know what it tastes like. And
Or
maybe
it wasn't impressive enough to just really mention it. It's probably not even worth mentioning.
Exactly. So we just put it up over there, but it says not available in stores. So why don't you give us a little bit of a rundown how we actually first were introduced to all this?
All right, so it's a funny story. As you know, we're business owners, and we have been in business for several years. We're pretty much independent. But this friend of mine a few years back asked me if I want to become my own business owner, and if I want to separate myself from labor and everything. You know how those things are. And make a little extra money on the side by doing something very simple. So I'm like, all right, sure, why not? Let's hear what you have to say. And he gives me a whole bunch of information and everything. And then he tells me, all right, you come over to this place with a friend and or family, and we'll teach you more about this thing.
Yeah,
So
they invited me. Yeah,
yeah, I asked my brother to come along.
that was what, like about like a few years ago. Yeah, it was a
2
couple
or
of
3
years
years ago.
Yeah, it was
something,
ago.
something like that.
Yeah.
It was around this time of year, around November or December. Uh, all right, so first thing we did was like, all right, we'll go over there and listen to his whole presentation and everything. And oh my God, they just went on and on and on and about it, and how great everything is, how exclusive their products are and everything, and you cannot find it in stores, and people will buy your stuff online only because they're Reagan exclusive.
Yeah, it just took like what 2 years and some change,
Yeah, actually, some of the stuff that they made so much emphasis on were these cans of soda.
Yeah, but there was zero samples though, which is very interesting. Say we have all these flavors and it's better than blah blah blah, but there was no samples, and we said like, well, maybe we should try a sample.
Funny enough, they actually gave us regular water from bulk stores, from wholesale stores.
Yeah, something like that. It was kind of fun.
That's what they provided. They didn't provide any of the drinks that they were promoting.
Okay. Actually, what I remember is that these things, they used to be even more expensive. It actually went down. So I think you got the link there somewhere that like a box of 12 is like how many? So like 12 here is like $40-some.
Yeah.
Yeah, 41 and and some change.
Yeah, it's 41.40, and it's funny enough because these come in a bulk box. I mean, it's like just no branding or so basic branding that you can confuse it with any regular mailbox. I mean,
yeah, we didn't. We had it already out of the box because we don't want to do any slander or anything. Who knows? We might actually try this thing in the next couple of minutes and say like, "Oh wow, this is the Holy Grail stuff." We don't know yet because we haven't actually tried it. So we're going to.
exactly.
You ready to try this thing?
Well, let's give it a try.
Yeah. So this we actually have chilled this one, so hopefully that's going to enhance the flavor. Like any other energy drink that is out there.
Well, I personally don't like my energy drinks at room temperature.
So let's see. Alright, so there's some carbonation over there. First impressions. It smells kind of fruity.
Alright.
It has a nice kind of like pink texture for the. This is
Well, I read that the pink texture is actually from carrot coloring.
Is it? Is
Yeah,
that
so
what it says?
carrot itself is the
Yeah,
one
it's
that they
interesting
use
that
for
it
the,
does say that the
color.
strawberry actually costs a little more than the others for some reason in the website.
Yeah, it's actually more expensive than the other.
Oh,
products.
so we're having the Holy Grail of those.
Yeah, this is a
Well, we'll find
a fancy one.
Let's
Alright.
try this time.
Let's give it a try. Oh. It has an aftertaste.
It does have an aftertaste.
Sorry, didn't mean to. I was trying to be as partial as possible, but I hate that aftertaste. Oh my god.
So, if you like diet stuff, you might not actually hate it necessarily. It
you know, it tastes to diet.
Yeah, it tastes. Yeah, if you like, like that, like no sugar type thing over there, because it says zero sugar, but the best great flavors. So yeah, it's
All right, so let's look at the actual can. And it says that it has it
10
has
calories,
sucralose. So it has sucralose. That means that it's the extract from the sugar itself. So it's not sugar, but it's part of the sugar, and that's the actual taste that they make those. Well, I'll have to research a little bit more on that.
Let's say,
but
so
it's the fake sugar, basically.
So this is the ingredients: carbonated water, taurine, citric acid, natural flavors. Oh, I guess there's some natural over there. Okay, L-glutamine, blueberry juice concentrate, and it has like a couple of asterisks. So it say,
Yeah.
it adds a trivial amount of sugar. So that's what the two asterisks say over there.
Oh, trivial amount of sugar.
Herbal blend, well trim, which is a registered mark, and some other registered mark that I cannot even pronounce over there. I go 131. African mango seed extract, extra something other registered thing. It has two crosses, which I don't know what that is, because does it have over there what those mean? Well, anyways, ashwagandha root and leaf extract, Panax ginseng root extract, and Panax quinquefolium root extract. Jesus.
Oh, purple carrot extract for color.
Okay, I know this. I know how to say this one. Potassium, caffeine, purple carrot extract for color. Oh, so yeah, that's what you were saying. Sodium benzoate is a preservative. Potassium sorbate is another preservative. sucralose, calcium D, panthonate, and
Pantothena,
yeah, yeah,
whatever.
and there's all kinds of peroxide, hydrox, and then and yeah,
And a
and
few other weird names. I mean, for
yes.
something very natural, it has a lot of hard to pronounce names. So
Well, it says strawberry and with other natural flavors. I guess like the carrot thing for the color. It's a natural
when they
flavor.
start adding those weird names, you've probably seen several reviews everywhere where it says if you cannot pronounce it, you don't know what exactly it is.
So it says contains 80 milligrams of caffeine per service. Not recommended for children. Yeah, trust me, your kids are not gonna like this, unless I don't know, unless they like diet soda. Pregnant or nursing woman and those sensitive to caffeine enjoy up to 2 cans per burning products per. For some stuff that I've been working in some areas that you need a lot of caffeine. If you had two of these ones, it probably wouldn't give you enough energy. Now, do you actually feel more energetic with this thing?
I still have the aftertaste, but I'm going to give it another sip only to see if my first reaction was too exaggerated. But I'm a little scared.
So I'm trying to be unbiased, like, like, like.
It tastes nothing like strawberry. First of all, I have to emphasize that strawberry flavor excess does not taste like strawberry.
Even if it does, I feel more the aftertaste of the diety thing. But then again, like yeah, I should say that I hate diet stuff. I don't even like light beer. I like real stuff type thing. So if that would be what you fancy, hey, more power to you. Might actually like this stuff. I personally don't like it.
I've actually tried stevia and a few other fake sugars, mainly because of a client of mine. But this takes it to a whole nother level.
Yeah.
No, it's terrible. I mean, if you like diet, you might like it. But I don't like diet. I hate diet. I hate fake sugar.
But it begs the question, really. So let's say you do like diet, and that's really up to whoever watches this thing. Okay, so if you want to try it, hey, more power to you. I'm not saying don't try it. We're just telling you what we feel, and that's that's personal opinion. Okay, so it should put here on the screen. You're like, yeah, that's our opinion. If you like it, like, go ahead. Okay, I wouldn't get it, but. So probably there's no link. Safe to say, yeah, there's no link for this thing. Yeah,
we're not going to bother giving you a link for this.
If you like it, look it out on your own.
Yeah, try to find it. If you Google it or Bing it or whatever, you might be able to find it, but we're not going to endorse it or anything because we ourselves did not.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, in good conscience, if I don't enjoy it, I cannot tell you that.
If you enjoy it and if you find it, you buy it and you enjoy it, or a friend provides it to you and you actually like it.
Oh yeah, you can always put a video response down there. Just say that
if you like it, awesome. Yeah.
Yes,
but tell us your personal experience.
Yeah, but no. But we should have used just the crap glasses. But anyways, the other thing, okay, as I said, it begs the question that if you're going to be buying this and it's very very expensive, but you just don't want the sugar and the calories, even though it has like all kinds of crazy ingredients. Not necessarily endorsing Red Bull because I don't like the sugar-free version either. But at least I've tasted, and it's to my taste, it's tasted better.
Yeah, I mean.
But that's just my perception.
No difference what energy drink that you buy. I mean, you can get.
Just going to try it a little bit and see if it becomes an acquired taste.
Yeah, no, but I mean, you can spend a lot less for any energy drink, and you'll have probably more energy. This right now sucked out my energy. Yes, so energy plus burn. Yeah, you actually feel your energy being drained, and I feel a burn. At the back of my throat.
The things that I'm trying to see, because sometimes you might actually have an acquired taste. Like at first you're like, it tastes like crap, blah blah blah. You don't want to have it again. But then it grows on you. So I'm trying to see. I'm like really trying to do that.
I kept it in my mouth, trying to see if I savor it and everything for a little while, but no. I mean, let's be fair. It didn't make me gag.
Too much. Your reaction was like, I thought we were going to have an accident here in the car.
Oh my god, no, it just, I mean, I was looking for a strawberry flavor. I was looking for strawberry flavor.
Yeah, we actually had these things. Yeah, they've been in
I mean,
the
it
fridge
doesn't-
for what is it, like probably a couple of weeks, a little bit longer, maybe.
Call it a video.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna throw the rest of this thing, down the drain.
Yeah.
Good God.
Cheers.
Oh, it's even worse after it starts like that.
All right, that was terrible.
Okay, so we try one of these things. If you want to see more of these reviews, just please subscribe and let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you actually like it and you want to say where you can get it, or if you're one of the distributors of this thing, just do it on your own. But I didn't mean to offend you, but good God, I wouldn't drink this again.
Yeah. If you want to sell these, try them before you sell them. Avoid getting angry at customers because you didn't try them at first.
Yep.
That's my advice. All right, subscribe, and we'll keep on posting more videos.